Hello everyone! Today we're crocheting this little puppy keychain. The stitches are simple and suitable for beginners. Let's take a look at how to crochet it together. We will use sheet piece yarn, Meng Wa Wa No, 2 yarn and a 2.0mm crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around your finger to make a magic ring. Hold the crossing point and insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and make 1 chain stitch to start. This chain does not count as a stitch. Next, crochet 8 single crochets into the ring. After completing 8 stitches, tighten the ring. Slip stitch the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 2. Increase in every stitch. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch. Work 8 increases. You will have 16 stitches. After the last stitch, slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. You need to do this at the start of every round. It will not be repeated later. Round 3. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. That completes 1 set. Repeat for 8 sets. You will have 24 stitches. Rounds 4 to 6. 1 single crochet in each stitch. Each round has 24 stitches. Round 7. Single crochet in the first 5 stitches. Next, work 5 increase stitches. Five stitches completed. Then the next 4 stitches. Single crochet in each stitch. Next, work another 5 increase stitches. Five stitches completed. Then the last 5 stitches. Single crochet in each stitch. Rounds 8 to 9. Single crochet in each stitch. Each round has 34 stitches. Round 10. Single crochet in the first 5 stitches. Next, work 5 decrease stitches. For a decrease, pick up the front loops of 2 stitches and crochet them together as 1 stitch. Then the next 4 stitches, single crochet in each stitch. Next, work 5 decrease stitches. The last 5 stitches, single crochet in each stitch. Round 11. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. This is 1 set. Repeat for 6 sets. You will have 18 stitches. Round 12. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 set. Repeat for 6 sets. You will have 12 stitches. With the 3rd strand, round 13. Work 6 decreases. After the last stitch, slip stitch to the 1st stitch. Fasten off. Weave through every other stitch and close the opening. Hide the yarn tail inside the body. The ears are also worked in the round. Crochet 4 single crochets into the magic ring. After completing 4 stitches, tighten the ring. Slip stitch the 1st stitch. Pull tight. Chain 1. Round 2. 2 single crochets in each stitch. Work 4 increases. You will have 8 stitches. After the last stitch, slip stitch to the 1st stitch. Chain 1. Rounds 3 to 5. Single crochet in each stitch. Each round has 8 stitches. After the last stitch, slip stitch to the 1st stitch. Fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Sew the ears onto the body. Glue on the eyes and nose. A cute little puppy keychain is finished.